Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for the Pixel 10 Pro XL. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Pixel 10 Pro XL. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for actually sending this case out to me for a review. Like we normally do in our reviews, we make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Do you have MagSafe on here or not? Can you wireless charge? How are the buttons? Does it add bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. I actually have been using it for a couple of days now, and I'm liking it. Yes, let's get this right off the bat. It is a bulky case. It does add bulk to your phone, just right off the bat. Also, if you have a screen protector on it, remove it because the fingerprint scanner does work. It's just a little bit harder to use, but it does have the built-in screen protector. It comes with the belt clip in the box already, and it tells you how to remove the built-in screen protector if you wanted to. But let's review it, and then I can take it off and then show you how to install it too, because sometimes people have questions for that. The power button is nice and tactile. The volume rockers are nice and easy to press. Everything lines up at the bottom, as you can tell there. Bam. Everything lines up at the top. You have camera protection. You also have lip protection. If you didn't have the built-in screen protector, you still have a lot of lip protection. A little logo there. And then you have these grips on the sides too, as you can tell. That gives you the extra grip. Now, yes, it does add bulk to your phone. The one thing that some people might not like, it does not have MagSafe. I have another case from them, the grip, that has MagSafe. So this one does not. This is a heavy duty case. Like, you don't have to worry about dropping your phone or breaking it, because it's going to protect your beautiful investment there. Bam. The kickstand is really sturdy. Sometimes almost hard to get out, especially if you don't have nails. But you can watch videos like that. You can watch videos like this or like that. So you have multiple viewing angles, and it's pretty sturdy. The little UB Pro logo there too. Bam. So this is the heavy duty case. This is like if you go on hiking, or if you ride your bikes, or work in construction, drop your phone a lot. This is the case that you want to pick up. There's in the belt clip. A lot of people like the belt clip. It comes with the case. You don't have to worry about ordering it separate like another company. But bam, it's in there, and the belt clip works. So basically how you want to install it is almost how the way you uninstall it. So you just want to rip or take apart from the bottom there. And then what you want to do is, once you have it in two pieces, right? You have it in two pieces. So you always start at the bottom right. You just put your phone, line up the power button, the volume rockers like this. And then just slide the phone in all the way around, just making sure the grooves are connected, and then you installed it. And then you don't have to worry about, dropping and breaking your phone. So this phone does check off a lot of boxes for you. The one thing it doesn't check off is it doesn't have MagSafe. No MagSafe, but you can, yeah, it's wireless charging now. Let me stop it. It's wireless charging right there. As you can tell at the top too, it is wireless charging. So no issues with wireless charging. You just doesn't have MagSafe on it. So again, if you love MagSafe, you need MagSafe, then this case is not for you. But it does check off a lot of boxes. You have camera protection, lip protection. Even if you didn't have the built-in screen protector, everything lines up. The buttons are great. You do have You can wireless charge, but again, no MagSafe. The kickstand works good. You have different options you can choose. But if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.